wanted to introduce our upstairs because we haven't shown a lot of the upstairs yet, and most people that come into our upstairs is really surprised at how big it is. So there's Sugar, my Shih Tzu, little stinker. But I wanted to show the upstairs because we are getting ready to completely overhaul this space. It is definitely categorized as builder beige. The carpet is getting worn out, so that is being replaced. And this fun little window seat has been demolished by the kids, so we are fixing all of the drywall on that, so that's exciting. And this big blue hutch looking thing is actually a wall bed. It's a Wilding wall bed. It is 1 million pounds. Okay, not really, but it is so heavy. So we are going to try and keep this upstairs while we paint and all the things. So, you know, wish us luck on that. This is my boys' room. We haven't moved the beds downstairs yet, so that, you know, they have a place to actually sleep. Fun little cubby back here. Their wall. There's the downstairs. And here is my girls' room. But we have to take the beds out and all the furniture because of the carpet being replaced. So hopefully this hasn't been too fast.